The Honda satellite-linked navigation system gives drivers the confidence to find new destinations and pick up what they want along the way, even if there's no cell signal. To select a destination while stopped, you can enter it using the touchscreen. From the home screen, touch the navigation icon. Touch Where To, then touch the search field to display the keyboard. Type in the street address and touch Done. Then select the right choice from the list. Touch Go and route guidance will begin. If you don't know the street address, try touching Where To and the categories icon. Let's use restaurants as an example. Touch that icon, then narrow your search by touching a subcategory. Scroll down the list of places that appears, touch the desired restaurant, and select Go. You can use the voice recognition feature to set a destination while on the road. Press the Talk button on the steering wheel and say Navigation. Then say Find Address. Next, say the street address, city, and state, just as you might read them off of an envelope. When a list of possible results is displayed, say the number corresponding to the correct item. Then say Go and route guidance will begin. Once you've saved your personal address in the system, directions home are just a few screen taps or voice commands away. Press the navigation icon and touch the Where To icon. Tap the list icon in the upper left corner and touch Set Home Location. If you're home, just tap Use Current Location. Otherwise, touch Enter My Address, input it, choose the correct suggestion from the list, and tap Select. Then, just press the Talk button and say Navigation, and then Go Home. And you're on your way.